Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I have the Motorola Moto G72 and we're gonna go through the first steps and the first setup so you can get started with your new Moto G72. First of all, here you have a little welcome page. Hi there. You can select a language here, suggested, but you can choose any other language. We go with English. Then you have here emergency call and vision settings, so you can customize the font size. You can make it large, very big, or small, standard. Go back and you have some other things you can customize here. When you go back, you have the yellow start button here to click on when you're ready to get started. Connect to a mobile network. So the phone now wants us to put in a SIM card. We have another video for that, so we skip this part right now. Connect to Wi-Fi. You want to connect to Wi-Fi to use the Play Store to download apps and stuff. So I'm gonna connect to our Wi-Fi right now. So now I put in my password. If you click on show password, it will show you your password, so you can check if you put it in right. And when you're done, you just click on connect. Privacy and software updates. So you can click on these things here to disable them or enable them, or you just click on accept and continue. You can read through it, more information about the privacy policy here, and yeah, accept and continue when you customized it. Copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google accounts, and more from your old phone to the new one. If you click on next, I will go through all the steps you need to take, like get your old device, then get a cable, connect them, and then it will transfer your old data to your new phone, or your data from your old phone to your new phone. We don't have any other device to get data from, and also sometimes you just want to start fresh on your new phone and don't get any old data that you've collected over the time on your new phone. So we say don't copy. And then we come to the next side, sign into your Google account. You can now sign into your Google account, or if you don't have one, create an account. We have one, so I'll put in my email now. When you put in your email, you click on next, and then you enter your password. Same here, if you click on show password, it will show you your password, and when you're done, click on next. Now we come to Google Terms of Service. By clicking I agree, you agree to these terms. So you either agree or you don't add this account now. If you want to add your Google account, you pretty much don't have any other option than clicking on I agree. Now we come to Google Services. Back up to Google Drive, use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data. You can click on these buttons here and then turn it on and off. So use location, then Google may collect location data. You can turn it off, you can turn it on, whatever you like. Allow scanning just means that your phone will scan for any Wi-Fi networks around you. It's off when you say use location. When you disable use location. If it's on, you have the option to turn it on and off. That's up to you. Send usage and diagnostic data. You don't need to do that. Customizable. Also up to you if you have it on or off. Yeah, when you're done, you can click on accept and then choose your search engine. You can now choose any search engine you like. Google, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo. If you click on the little arrows, you see some more information. This one right here, plant trees and protect your privacy as you search. Ocean Hero, help to stop ocean plastic pollution together with Ocean Hero. You can choose anyone you like. I'm gonna go with Ocosia. Click on next and then set a pin. We have another video for that, so we skip this one. A pin is required to set up face unlock and fingerprint unlock. A pin protects the phone if it's lost or stolen. Yes, it's always recommended to use a pin or password or whatever you like there. But as I said, we have another video for that, so we are sure to skip. Continue setup, keep going to get your device fully set up, or leave now and get a reminder to finish later. You can continue or you leave and get a reminder. We're pretty much set up, so we say leave and get a reminder. Stay in the know, join millions of Motorola fans who receive exclusive information about product launches, events, tips, software updates and much more. By turning this on, I agree to receive push notifications and confirm that I am 16 or older. You can click on allow notifications or click on not now. Are you sure you want to opt out of device notifications? Well, up to you if you want this on or off. I click on not now, then wait, there's more. It's pretty much the same here. By registering my email, I agree to receive exclusive information about product launches, events, tips, beta tests, software updates, and much more. Not now, not now. But you can totally do so. Choose your theme. You can always change your mind later in settings and then display light theme or the dark theme. We also have a video for that, how to enable or disable that. We're gonna go with the light theme now, but if you like the dark theme better, you can totally do so. Then you click on next, choose navigation style. You can also change that later if you like something else better. Buttons, you have these three little dots here with the arrow to go back. I think the dot there is to go to the menu again, and then you also have a little demonstration for that here. Or you go with gestures. So I think gestures is more like in iPhone type of navigation style, where you just swipe to go back or swipe up to go to a menu. We go with the Android version. I think it's typical for Android to have these little dots here. So we go with a button 1, click on next, and then we're all set. You're ready to start using your phone now. Click on done, and then we are on our home screen. Nice. So we're on our home screen now. These are the first steps on your Motorola Moto G72. Hope you liked it. I hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.